we have the one question regarding about the exhaust valve, main engine exhaust valve. So they can ask you about the if your main engine exhaust valve have abnormal sound, boom 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 boom, and what is the reason?
About the ceiling air, not no air.
That means for the spring air not enough, correct? Spring air not enough, so that means so for the main engine exhaust valve not full close.
They not full close and not keep it close. They sometimes it spindle down.
So that means you talk to me about the spring air area, correct? For the sealing ring around the spindle, and also the sealing ring for air piston, correct? Have problem. So about the spring air not enough. So this only one reason making about the air. The spring air not enough. So can you tell me about some reason more? The sealing ring have problem. Okay, it's okay, no problem. So the second thing about how about the air supply, the air spring air supply to the exhaust valve, the main engine exhaust valve spring air chamber. We have the one non-return valve, correct?
Yes, have non-return valve.
Okay. If the non-return valve have problem, and that means not enough the spring air for main engine exhaust valve, correct?
Yes, the air leaking.
Not air leaking, not supply the air pressure, spring air pressure.
It means air not coming inside.
Correct, air not coming inside. So also for the situation for my student talk to me about during heat vessel sealing, and also for he heard abnormal sound from the main engine exhaust valve. So he only changed the new reconditioned exhaust valve, but still have problem. And finally he find out about the non-return valve stuck up. So exactly not enough the spring air supply to the main engine exhaust valve.
So the non-return valve, when we maintenance, we always need to overhaul it.
Yeah, of course. But unfortunately that time he only changed the spare one exhaust valve. He did not check the non-return valve stuck up or not. So that means when the main engine exhaust valve have problem, abnormal sound, so first thing you need to care about the sealing test first. Did you know the sealing test?
That's a sealing test about when the main engine stop. We reduce the indicator for the spindle position between 2 to 3, and we close the spring air inventing, and we counting how many minutes. If more than 1 hour, more than 1 hour, and indicator spindle moving down is okay. It's good, but from 1 hour 30 minutes is still okay. But less than half hour the indicator so when you spindle down, and you need to overhaul immediately.
Okay, so when the main engine exhaust valve have abnormal sound, the best way you can try out the sealing test for main engine exhaust valve first. And also it's okay because this one you know the condition of the spring air condition, because the spring air condition not correctly, and also the main reason for the exhaust valve abnormal sound.